I was 6 when I first met him. On a warm summer day, I was lost in the forest of the mountain god, which was said to be where the spirits lived. I started crying from fear and loneliness.
Hey, Shorty!
Huh?
Why are you crying?
Please help me! I'm scared!
Sorry. You're a human child, right? If a human touches me, I'll disappear.
Hey, wait!
Watch out!
Yin? Yin!
Come here, Hotaru. I can finally hug you.